Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, namhlanje umhla ka-28 kuMeyi 2025. uMary Pard wenze ivideo, umama uMary Pard wenze ivideo ngesonto. Wasazisa ukuthi lolu usuku olukhulu la azositshela khona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngizamile-ke ukuthola ivideo ephelele, ngeshwa angizange ngiyithole. Mhlawumbe uma ngase ngiyithole ngiyobe ngikhuluma okungcono, kodwa kwengikutholile ayikho into etheni engiyizwile. Into engizoyenza ngizoyicaphuna leyo video leyo ngoba ngifisa sikhulume ngalento eshiwo umama uMary Pard. Okwesibili, ngifisa sikhulume ngalento le ye-unity between i-EFF ne-MK Party ngoba uFloyd uphawulile ngayo. Okwesibili, ngoba siyakhumbula ukuthi uphawulile last njengoba beka kwi-Africa Day, bekenza Africa Day lecture. Nanamuhla futhi uphawulile. Ngabona enye i-channel nje bikhuluma ngalolo daba. Ngiyafisa futhi singene kulelo daba lelo silibheke ngoba angeke ngikwazi ukwenza ama-video amaningi. Ngcono ngenze kube i-video yodwa noma engathi uyidlala isikhathi eside kodwa ngiwakhave wonke lamaphuzu. I-video yesithathu engizoqala ngayo la, ngibona i-video kaMncwango, uMncwango lo we-Action SA. Phezulu bebebhala ukuthi lo muntu kwi-political party wrong. Ngase ngilalela ukuthi uthini, ngamuzwa ukuthi usho into ebalulekile. Ngiyidlala le party le ngoba ezinye zezinto efuneka sibe aware ngazo ngoba zenzeka ezweni lethu, kuzothatha imali yama-taxpayers. Ekugcineni kosuku bazofuna ukusikhuphulele i-VAT, basikhuphulele i-fuel levy nazo zonke izinto ekubeni imali idliwa yibo. Angikhulumi-ke nge-ANC kodwa ngikhuluma nje ngezinto ezenzakalayo. Sizoqala-ke kwi-video kaMncwango. Ngiyacela usubscribe ku-channel, like i-video, comment, ushare. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho kulo lonke le video le isiphelele. Kokunye futhi ungasupporta ngokujoin i-membership, ungasupporta ngokusidonate noma malini onayo. Ikhona i-account kwi-comment ephiniwe.
I-accountability and transparency iyona nto engiyohlala njalo ngiyilwela ngoba kubalekile ukuthi izinto ezinjengalezi sisukumele ngoba kuyacaca ukuthi nabe indaba basenandaba nokulandelela okonakalayo, nanokuthi i-opposition isi-weak kuhulumeni wa-South Africa nakomasipala. Yikho ngangifaka imibuzo ku-city manager nge-Fan Park lapha eThekwini eyayikade kubuka i-Nedbank Cup. Nanso-ke impendulo ka-city manager uthi baspenda 3.6 million rand, 3.6 million rand just for 2 screens and sound. Sikhumbule phela indaba kamasipala le, i-venue ayikhokhelwa, i-security amaphoyisa kamasipala. Now uyayibuza-ke ukuthi le mali ishonephi. Kusemningi imibuzo ekhona nempendulo eyishodayo ngoba nethenda ayikazi iphume, bayayisholo bonke they use section 36 okusho ukuthi banika nje umuntu abamthandayo umsebenzi. Kodwa futhi okuvelayo lana ukuthi abafuni ukusho ukuthi ubani lo owanikwa lo msebenzi walama screen. Kodwa ke soyithola information, siyayifuna soyithola futhi.
Siyabonga kubaba uMncwango ukuthi alilandelele lolu daba ngoba uma ukukhumbula kahle, i-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs bebedlala i-Nedbank Cup final. So ngenxa yokugcwala-ke stadium kwase kusetshenziswa ipark ethize, kwafakwa i-green ne-sound ukuthi abantu bahlale babukele leyo game. Manje bathi-ke for lezo i-green naleyo sound leyo baspende 3.6 million. Ila-ke kubuzakala khona ukuthi kanjani obani abafake lezo green naleyo sound na yonke le shuthi ubugebengu nje laba ababenza njoba ethi indawo kamasipala ayirentelwa phela indawo kamasipala. Namaphoyisa abo khona pha amaphoyisa kamasipala. So ungabe u3.6 million usebenze nje for uqasha isound nama screens lapha abantu bebebuka khona ibhola. Kungcono bephela beqashwa ivenue, bekuzosho ukuthi hayi siqasha ivenue kwangukuthi kodwa nje uthe bazolilandelela udaba lolu ngoba phela kuphumanga nathenda, kube into yabo nje abayenza. Shuthi bajwayele ukuyidla le mali. Siyabonga-ke kubaba uMncwango ne-Action SA ngoba umsebenzi abawenzayo ekugcineni kosuku ubenefita abantu base-South Africa. Zibalulekile izinto ezinje sizibuke ngoba uma sizoya ngokuthi zivela nobani sizoba nenkinga. Kufuneka ngesinye isikhathi izinto mazenzeka emphakathini singabuki ukuthi ziza naliphi iqembu lezepolitiki, kodwa sibuke lento ukuthi umiyekelwa manje izodlondlobaliye phambili ngoba kuliwa ne-Action SA kanti silahlekelwa into ebalulekile. Sizodlulela-ke manje odabeni lolo lukamama uMary Pard.
Under the banner of our guiding principle, leadership that cares is leadership that accounts. We are addressing you today in this province with a report of our work and progress over the past 12 months. We were appointed on the 1st of June, and this is a year later where we are giving account of the work that we've done to date. We took office following electoral contest in which we humbled an incumbent that had long rested on our majority arrogance, sliding from above 70% to 52%. This drop by other political parties was no accident. It was a result of persistent governance failures, worsening service delivery, ongoing load shedding, soaring unemployment, and rising crime.
Njengoba umuzwa komama uMary Phadi la ebeke ukuthi njoba behlangene lapha bebize lo mhlangano bazo-accounta nje ama-leader amahle lawa abuya account asho ukuthi njengoba sasibekiwe sihambe kangaka safika phi sayaphi. Lokho ebesikulindele thina ngoba phela ubeshilo ukuthi uFloyd kufuneka ahambe. Angakutholi ukuthi nje laba bebeshutha bazange bayithole ivideo ephelele noma bazange basinikeze ivideo ephelele. Mhlampe kuhamba kwensuku bazoyikhipha ngoba esimagange ngokuzwa udaba lika Floyd ngoba phela ubeke ngokucacile ukuthi uFloyd kufuneka ahambe. Kodwa ke engimuzwa Paula kukho udaba lukamama uAdvocate uBusisiwe Mkhwebane. Ngicela uze la.
There's a question about the issue of 2026, who will be placed on or who will be a candidate and it will be chosen from which faction. Comrades, I did say on the video that Comrade Busisiwe Mkhwebane is just an ordinary member. There is no Comrade Busisiwe Mkhwebane yet until she is appointed. So, with that said, any changes that will be done under our leadership, we are going to reverse it, and it's going to reverse it as a matter of agency to make sure that our armed forces are not confused. We will get to 2026 victorious because we are dealing with that matter, and by next week everything will be sorted with regard to making sure that when we nominate a candidate, there's no confusion in the province.
Okusho umama uMary Phadi la ukuthi uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane is an ordinary member ye-MK Party. Akaza appointiwe. Futhi noma iziphi inqumo ezithathiwe bazozireverse bona. By next week sobe sesazi kwenzakalani. Interesting nje la ukuthi ngine video engizokucaphunela yona manje. Ngicela uyibone.
Announce that Comrade Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane will be the convener of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. Advocate Mkhwebane is a seasoned public servant and true fighter for justice and equal rights, and we all bear testimony to that. She is the former public protector who was unlawfully removed from the office for confronting the status quo and asking necessary and relevant questions to the sitting head of state.
Ivideo qeda kuyibona obekhuluma la ilo waye Secretary General womkhonto wesizwe Party okuSifiso Maseko owa-announce ukuthi as umkhonto wesizwe Party ba-decide ukuthi umama Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane uzoba uconvener we-MK Party eMpumalanga. So that's why ngithe interesting kakhulu lento ngoba uMary Phathi uthi akazange aza appoint. Kodwa na ivideo ithi appointiwe. Angazi ke kwenzakalani kodwa sisalindile ngoba phela besithembisa namuhla. Kodwa uthi nje by next week sobe sesazi. Asilindi futhi ke into enza ukuthi ngicaphune le video ukuthi kunale nkulumo ethi uFloyd ufaka abantu ababuya nabo ku-EFF. Kodwa I'm surprised ukuthi umama uBusisiwe Mkhwebane ka-appointwanga uFloyd as u-convener waseMpumalanga. So ngiyabona okay. So into nje le ekhandiwe ngoba kuliwa noFloyd. So ngithi nje angikulethele le video ngoba entweni ebengizilindele ukuthi uzozisho ikakhulukazi lezi akhulume ngazo akazange aphumele obala. Ukhulume nje lokuthi bazo accounta nanokuthi ke labade beshutha abakaskiphelile ivideo ephelele. Ngiyacabanga nabo isizathu esenza ukuthi bayingabaze le video ukuthi indaba ebebezifuna kakhulu ilezi abekathe bazokhuluma ngazo especially odabeni lika Floyd. uFloyd ke mangantshela iqiniso uyatrenda kakhulu uFloyd uyatrend. Uma ngabe kwenzekile githi thina senza ama video wafaka uFloyd indaba yakho iya abantu beyibuke kakhulu ngoba uFloyd unegama elinesisindo. Yingakho ke noma yina ishoyo inako. Ngikusho lokhu ngoba enkulumeni abenawo namuhla njengoba bekakhuluma nobaba kaMbejelo osebenzele eSABC. uFloyd uphendula umbuzo hayi ngoba uFloyd efuna ukuthi EFF ihlangane neMK Party. Angeke ngibuyele emuva. Odabeni le unity sizokhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa bebese Washington behlangane noPresident Trump. Kuthe makuvezwe ivideo kwaveza ivideo ye-EFF ichanta ingoma ethi Kill the Boer kwavela ivideo ka former president okuJacob Zuma ecula ingoma isobadubula ngembayimbayi. Kwaze kuthiwa laba babili wase yakhuluma uJohn Steenhuisen wathi bona bangena ku-GNU ngoba befuna ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi laba babili okuyi-MK Party kanye ne-EFF ababi ingxenye yegovernment. Sase sithi thina njengabantu abangamalungu omphakathi sase sithi thina i-EFF ne-MK Party ayihlangane ngoba izitha zayo shuthi bashare izitha zabo zihlangene futhi zenza sure ukuthi ababusi. Wayeseyavela ku-CIC wathi ngeke kwenzeke. Ngiyendlalela lenkulumo ukuze abantu bayiqonde ukuthi iqalaphi. AkusuFloyd ovele wasukeleka nje wathi ufuna ukuthi iMK Party ihlangane neEFF. Cha, akaza kusho lokube neunity akaza kusho. Nala kule nkulumo esizoyicaphuna futhi into engizoyenza ngizoqala ngombuzo ukuze wena olalela ukuqonda ukuthi uFloyd akavelanga nje wathi iMK Party ayihlangane neEFF kodwa uFloyd ubephendula umbuzo obuziwe kuye. Uthi okunye kwesibili engifisa ukukuveza noJulius Malema igama lakhe nesisindo mangabe nje ufake kahle indaba yakho wafaka igama lakhe abantu bayayibuka leyo ndaba leyo. Ngicela ukukucaphunela ivideo leka Floyd kodwa ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Cela uzwe la.
I think one of the things that the MK has been saying is to get black parties in the main to work together. But we are seeing a lot of perhaps disagreement from some of the people we think should be your natural key allies. For example, the economic freedom fighters. They've made it clear that, they don't see themselves working with you as the MK. Saying, I think your contribution basically as a party is quite insignificant.
Yeah, it's very difficult to understand the political and ideological position of the EFF currently because the EFF is co-signatory of a charter which unites the Progressive Caucus in Parliament, which espouses common values and principles. But in some other articulations, I think there was a characterization of Mkhonto Wesizwe as enemy number one, and then I think their leader said in one of the platforms in the recent past that the MK is led by a stupid and the followers are stupid and everything else there. But we have never got a substantial submission of what causes such a very sorry and unfortunate, unintelligent observation. What we know is that there is a common program which is contained in the Progressive Charter, which unites the Progressive Caucus in Parliament. And in our own internal discussions as Umkhonto weSizwe, we took time to characterize all political formations in South Africa. And we then said our characterization of, for instance, the ANC is that despite it having been captured by the white capitalist establishment, it doesn't become an enemy force. It becomes a strategic opponent which is contested. That is our characterization of the ANC. And then we said the EFF is not even an opponent. We said it's a potential strategic ally, because it more or less espouses in its foundational documents and perspectives, it espouses more or less the same values that Umkhonto weSizwe espouses. ATM is our strategic ally, and we then categorize the Democratic Alliance as part of the enemy camp. What maybe could help in terms of this politics of South Africa is that let's rise above subjectivity and deal with proper ideological and political characterizations of just what is the environment that we're in and how do we relate with the different political forces. But the childishness and subjectivity will undermine otherwise a necessary cause for the unification of all progressive forces, not just in Parliament, but on the ground. There's no need that if Umkhonto weSizwe, EFF, ATM identify that their service delivery challenges in the municipalities of Alfred Nzo, of Matatiela, Mzumvumbu, Ntaba Umkulu, Winematikizela Mandela municipality, we must then organize separate matches to deal with issues of service delivery. We must do that jointly to say that these are the issues that we are raising. And it's not about dissolution of any party, it's about unification of the strategic objectives of just that, what we seek to achieve collectively on behalf of the people of South Africa.
Yona mpendulo Floyd anikazane ngayo le umephendula umbuzo ngoba ubebuzwe umbuzo uze wenza umzekelo ngokuthi mangathiwa kunenkinga service delivery akasiboni isidingo sokuthi abanye bangaorganize imatch bebodwa noma iorganize imatch ngoba ekugcineni kosuku yonke lento isuke yenzelwa abantu base South Africa kusho ukuthi ifuna kubekwa abantu phambili. So ingakho ngithi uFloyd la akazi athi iMK party ayihlangane neEFF kodwa ubephendula umbuzo abuzwe wona. Ingakho kubalekile ukuthi ngiyicacise le party ngoba ngiyibonile ukuthi iletha inkulumo eziningi kubantu. Asibambe le video la ngoba angifuni ukufaka into eziningi. Ikhona inkulumo ebengifisa ukuyifaka la kaMgxithama kodwa ngiyayibona izongilandela izinkulumo ezingenasidingo. Sizoyigwema namuhla mhlawumbe ngelinye ilanga uma senza ivideo sokhuluma ngayo. Sizokhuluma ngayo ngelinye ilanga uma ngenze enye ivideo ngoba angifuni ukwenza ivideo kube sengathi ngi-attack uCIC kanti i-lead engiyikhonzile. So ngaleso sizathu ke asiyibambe le video la kodwa ke ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho. Ebengifundisa ukuveza ngokucacileyo ukuthi uFloyd ubephendula umbuzo wayesesho ukuthi ngoba mawubheka ekugcineni kosuku ba represent abantu ababodwa ngoba bonke bakhuluma ngabantu abacindezeliweyo nabantu abacindezelwa abathathela umhlaba. So kukhona la khona okunzima ukuthi bangabathatha njengesitha. Washo ke nokuthi noma sebeyishila into eziningi njengomholi weEFF kodwa bona basibonanga isidingo sokuphendula futhi ababacharacterizanga as enemy. Noma ke uJulius yena waba characterize kanjalo iMK party as enemy number 1. So iyona video bengithi angikulethele yona le ukucacisa nje into ekukhulunywe ngazo mayelana futhi nenkulumo ebesilinde ngamehla abomvu nangu Mary Party sesijikelo sikhomba iviki elizayo. Nakhona sobe silinde simagange ngoba siyafuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani phela usitshelile ukuthi uFloyd impela funeka ahamba abuyele kuEFF. Besilindele ukuthi asitshele kuMary Party ukuthi cha kusuka namhlanje uFloyd akaseselona ilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party ngeshwa
He
akakwenzanga.
says that people
Ngiyacela
cannot have
ukuze
an
ukuphawula
unled
kwakho
revolution
ngalolu daba ngizwe ukuthi wena
because
kuthini
that
okwakho
revolution will
kubona
consume
kuko
everyone.
konke lokho okukhulunywa la. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.